Good morning. My name is Henry Mauricio Rodriguez. I am in the 19th group of System Engineering. I'm 41 years old. I work for a company who provides drugs to pharmacies. Today I would like to share with you the experience I have about the trip to San Andres and Providencia, where I went in company of my daughter Valerie and my wife Mary. The vacation took place in 2015. We used to have a trip monthly to share time with my family. In a photo that I posted, I was at Marazul de Cameron Hotel in front of the pier ready to go to Johnny Cay, one of the most beautiful places that we can find there. The weather at the end of December when I went in it was hot but very pleasant. We have to use a lot of sunscreen to enjoy the scene. Daily in the mornings we got up very early to have breakfast. At night we went to one of the places to visit and we had dinner in one of the Decameron's restaurants that were on the island. It was an unforgettable experience. I would like to visit this place annually. Thank you. Bye.